Hmm. Ramadan. Ramadan is knocking our doors. Let's get prepared for Ramadan. The month of peace, the month of blessing, the month of mercy, the month of forgiveness. Ramadan Kareem. Guys, listen to me. Don't allow the lady who you haven't married to legally cook for you in the month of Ramadan. It is an abomination Islamically. Listen to me. What I'm trying to say now is that don't let the lady who is not your legitimate wife cook for you during Ramadan. It is an abomination in Islam. Okay? Ramadan, Ramadan, Ramadan Kareem. We shall do many of it. We shall witness many of it on earth, on good earth, on riches, on worldliness, in the name of Allah.